My name is Darlene Griseta, and I teach sixth grade English language arts. I've been at Forest and Junior High for about 14 years, and I'm excited to be teaching your child this year and can't wait to get to know him or her better. I want to start by going through a few of my expectations. And by the way, all of this information is in Google Classroom, and it was also discussed with your student. Students have a hard copy that we completed together in class, as well as, like I said, in Google Classroom. My expectations are pretty basic and probably not much different than other teachers. First of all, be prepared to learn, treat others with respect, put forth your best effort each and every day, be teachable, and always be kind to others. Pretty much all of this information, syllabus, any new information students get is always going to be in Google Classroom. We're going to talk a little bit about what a day in sixth grade ELA looks like. When we begin class, students should have their Chromebooks open, be ready to learn. If they have any homework from the previous day, they should have that out. Any notes, their ELA notebook that we set up in class, that should be ready to go. I will have an agenda listed on the overhead so students know what we're doing for the day. It is also written on the whiteboard as well. We will review previous day's material, go through homework, possibly a short writing assignment, a journal, and then there will be a short lesson. Time is allowed for homework in class. Generally, most of our work should be done during class. I give the students time to work on any assignment that we have. We might have an exit ticket just to gauge learning. Occasionally, we will have a longer writing assignment when we start doing a little more in-depth writing, but that will come a little later. And then we'll close the class after the lesson, practice time, homework time. By then, it's time for the end of class. Just a reminder, assignments will be posted in Google Classroom, due dates there, as well as Skyward. So you can always refer to that. Recently, students received a reading log for the month of September. I passed that out last week, so they should have a hard copy of that. Again, there's also an electronic copy in Google Classroom if they wish to keep track of it that way. The goal is to read a certain number of minutes that I set each month. They should read every day. You only become a better reader by practicing reading. So they should be reading every day and log those minutes, have a parent signature when they're done reading for the day. That's just a small window of sixth grade ELA. If you have any questions or concerns, just email me at dgriseta@fvdistrict221.org. You can call the school. And I look forward to an exciting year with your child. I know together we'll have a fun and amazing year. Can't wait to get to know them a little better. And thank you for supporting us at the school and for supporting your child. Have a great day.